So I'll give you a specific example. I was in a dance class 4 days ago, and I'm dancing with a woman, and she tells me to relax my arms. And of course, when you tell someone to relax, they're never going to relax. And I still don't know how to relax my arm. And there is something what you're talking about where it's a very deep tension in my body.
Yes, and if you understood where inside your body you were tight, that the tightness would not be arising in your arm. The tightness would be arising within the lower abdomen. And that would be the center of where all your relaxation would occur. And if it occurred there, then that relaxation would pervade your entire body. So whatever you tell someone to do, this is one of the flaws of instruction that instructors don't seem to ever understand, is that whenever you tell someone to do something, the person will always overdo it. And the reason that the person will always overdo it is because their attention is fully on the doing of the thing. However, if their attention is completely on the allowing of the dance, then all things happen in their own proportion. But if you tell someone to do this with their knee or their leg, then that movement with the knee or the leg will be out of proportion to the rest. And then they will go to every single body part and correct that. And you'll be 92 years old. And even when you're 92 years old, you will still come back one last time before you die to say, is that correct? With your dying breath.
Yeah.
It is a complete farce. It is a scam.
What is the point of chronic pain, or how can one work intelligently with it?
You know, I'm not an expert on pain, so I don't know how much of a complete answer I can give you. But I will say that a lot of physical pain is a manifestation of emotional pain.
And then how does one work intelligently with emotional pain that may be not totally integrated or felt?
By divorcing himself from the need to be rid of it.
Yep.
And no, that does not mean accept it or embrace it.
So you've never had any practice, any yoga kriya, any pranayama, anything like that? None of that has ever served you any value?
I have never done any of those things.
And you don't see any value in anybody doing them?
There's value in everything. There's value jumping into a mud pit. It might cleanse your skin. That isn't the question. The question is, does it take you to where you want to go? And if you want a slightly improved complexion, then a mud pit may be just what you need.